Hey Billy, quick question. If you wanted to give advice to people on how to get started with AI, what would you say?
I've really been loving the Gemini CLI as a really fun way to get started with AI. It's really fun. I can put it on top of all my files with their code. I can have it write code for me, or even just personal notes and journals and to-dos. I can have it go through those, organize them, and clean it up for me without having to manually deal with all that mess.
I love that. Thanks. I will put the link to that in the comments. Brad, how are you?
Good, Lucia. What's going on?
All good. So I have a question for you. If you wanted to give advice to people on how to get started with AI, what would you say?
Yeah, so we have all sorts of Agentverse workshops coming to a city near you. They focus on many different developer personas and how to get started using agents in those personas. So keep an eye out.
Amazing. That's great advice. I'll put the link in the comments. Hey guys. Emmett, I have a question for you.
Sure.
If I want to host my own model, how do I do it?
So you can host your own model on Google Cloud Run now with GPU support.
Great. And that's if I do not want to run the model locally.
Yeah, that's exactly correct. So you can run the model locally. However, with Google Cloud Run, you also have the opportunity to take advantage of some of the cool features like auto-scaling, security, data sovereignty, and much more.
If you have to give people advice on how to get started with AI, what would that be?
There's so many great resources to get started with AI. One of the best resources which is coming out right now is something called Accelerate AI with Cloud Run, where essentially you get to build a lot of agents and deploy them on Cloud Run. So check out that.
Hey, Mofe, quick question. If you wanted to give advice to people on how to get started with AI, what would you say?
Well, we have been using AI for a while now, a couple of years since GPT came out. But now the next generation of AI is going to be all agents. And if you want to build agents, the best way to do it probably is going to be using ADK. Agent Development Kit is open source. You could use any type of models you want, but it works really well with Gemini models. You should definitely try it out.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I put the links in the comment.